Okay, once again, welcome you all the trend trading channel. I believe if you are doing good in your trading. Okay, so first of all, as usual, let's see what happened. This is yesterday. I have shared a video for today's trading session about the important levels. So let's see first what happened, whether we got any trade or whether we got any target triggered. What happened exactly, because it's not only just sharing a level, but after the level sharing, what happened, which need to be checked. I usually update in the live market during live market in the free telegram channel, but still you need to check it out. So first let me check what happened on the this one. So yesterday I have shared few different trade plans. This was the one trade plan level. Price has not came to this level, so no trade here. Yes, look at this, a fantastic trade which we got here. This was the level which I have shared yesterday. That is, what is the level? 36,055 to 35,970 was the level. What was my condition? Price rejecting the zone or crossing a rejected zone at this juncture. What was my requirement? My requirement was very simple, straightforward. Either a bullish candle formation like this or a bullish candle formation like this, clearly closing above 36,055 future levels. So exactly here we got the candle type like this. My expected target in this trade was minimum 150 to 140 points kind of a target. So from this point above this candle was a clean entry, stop loss few points below this was the stop loss. So entry somewhere we got in future somewhere around 36,085. If we are checking it, the same entry in option 36,000 option, this is the candle, we got the entry. Okay, so above the candle high is 508, so we got an option entry at 509 with a stop loss of 460. So almost how much point, 49 points stop loss. And expectation in the future was how much point? Expectation in the future was 150 points was the expectation which I shared yesterday. So entry 36,090 kind of a levels. 150 points means how much we are getting? 36,240, which got tagged in this candle. Just 10 minutes we got 150 points in future. So how much point you got an option? Just 10 minutes, 120 plus 125 points. 125 points we got in option with the stop loss of 49 points. This is option, I'm telling you. Here we got our target triggered. Here was the entry in the option. If you are taken in future, it is straightforward 130 to 150 points. As I already mentioned in all my video, I trade in the money option. So here I have managed to get 125 points for a stop loss of 49 points. This was the today's trade as per the level shared yesterday. One more level, price not even came to this level when it comes to bank nifty. Same in the Nifty, price also not even came to this level which I have shown. So today we got one trade as per the trade entry level, and we managed to capture 130 to 150 future points and 120 points minimum in the option. Okay. Now moving on to tomorrow's trade plan. So again, this is Bank Nifty future chart. Again, a Bank Nifty future 5-minute time frame chart. Let me share my levels. Level number one is 36,010 to 36,090 levels. All are future levels. If you in the last video, yeah, that means in this video I have even shared how the same future level can be used to take trades in the option as an option buyer. You can watch the video for your reference if you want it. Okay. So now tomorrow's level is 36,010 to 36,090 is my level. What is the simple process which I follow? Price going to the zone or rejected, price going higher getting a rejection at this juncture. What is my requirement? My requirement was very simple, straightforward. A bearish candle formation like this or a bearish rejection candle formation like this. What I'll be doing, below this candle I'll be shorting, or below this candle whichever is forming, or I'll planning my to take a put option trade. Stop loss not exactly at the high, few points above, 15-20 points buffer above which I'll be placing stop loss, both the candle same scenario. And if the candle range is, sorry, if the candle range is more than 170 180 points, I will be avoiding. This is plan number one. Plan number two on bank nifty. This plan is if markets open gap down, or after opening market falls straight away in the market, tomorrow's trading session, a counter trade plan, a bullish trade plan, that is 35,370 to 35,290. This will applicable only if markets make a gap down opening and falling down, or opening immediately and shooting down like anything for 3, 4 or 500 kind of a points. Okay. So very simple level, 35,370 to 35,290 levels. This is a slight risky trade if price getting a rejection or crossing and getting a rejection at this juncture, because it is a contra trade against the intraday trend. If the market is moving down tomorrow also, okay, I am required a bullish candle, a bullish rejection candle. So very simple, this candle range, if it is more than 170 plus points, I will be avoiding on a 5-minute time frame. So above this candle, I will be planning my buy side trade, or above this candle, I will be planning my buy side trade. Expected target here is 150 points, minimum 150 points is the expected target. Even in the last, this setup, here again expected target is 140 to 160 points, minimum in future this is the expected target when it comes to this plan number one. So plan number three on bank nifty, slight higher plan, okay. If tomorrow markets open flat and started shooting up, make a short covering move, short covering upside move, and if price gets a rejection or crossing and getting a rejection at this juncture, very simple, what candle type is my requirement? Those who have joined regularly will know about it. Those who are new, this I will expecting a bearish candle or a bearish rejection candle. Price clearly closing below what level? Level is 36,190 to 36,270 levels. If price closing below it with a bearish candle on a 5-minute time frame, below this or below this is the low, I will be taking a put option or a short side trade. Stop loss few points above this, 15-20 points buffer. Expected target here is slight bigger target, minimum around I'm expecting 180 to 200 points target if this trade plan comes into play. And again, the candle range should not be more than 170 points. If it is more than 170 points, I'll be avoiding everything on a bank nifty 5-minute time frame only. Let me quickly summarize on bank nifty levels, and then I'll be moving on to the nifty levels. First level number one is 36,010 to 36,090 is the level. Level number two, slightly a contra bullish plan, 35,370 to 35,290, a slight risky trade. And plan number three is 36,195 to 36,270 levels. Now coming back to the Nifty today, it has given a fantastic down move. Slowly, steadily, it has came down. So tomorrow, one single plan I will be sharing on Nifty, that is Nifty future 5-minute time frame, 17,045 to 17,075 is the level. Let me repeat, 17,045 to 17,075 is the level. If price trying to come to the zone gets a rejection, or price crossing the zone gets a rejection at this juncture, I'll be looking for what candle type? Either a bearish candle formation like this, or a bearish rejection candle formation like this. Again, those who are late in the session, once this live video completes, you can rewind and recheck the levels how much ever time you want it. Okay, below this I'll be shorting, or below this candle I'll be shorting. Stop loss few points, not exactly at the high, 10 to 12 points buffer in Nifty future, and option 8 to 7 to 8 points buffer. If the Nifty 5-minute candle is more than 75 points, I will be avoiding. Here expected target is 65 to 75 points is the minimum expected targets if this trade entry comes into play. So here I have shared totally Bank Nifty 3 trade entry, okay, and Nifty 1 trade entry. Bank Nifty I have shared 3, and in Nifty there is 1 trade entry. So as far as yesterday's video, which I have shared for today's session, we got one trade in Bank Nifty, a fantastic 150 easy points which have been captured. So those who traders who have still not joined the YouTube, this one, subscribe and turn on the bell icon. Make sure to subscribe and turn on the bell icon. Okay. I believe everyone are part of the free Telegram channel. If you are still not part of it, the link is available in the live chat box. You can join the Telegram channel. Those who are late, join late the session. After completing this video, you can rewind and check the video how much ever time you want it. Okay. Anyone have any questions? Please make sure to quickly shoot your questions in the chat box before completing the session so that I can answer your queries. Make sure to shoot your questions in the chat box, live chat box, if there is any questions to be addressed. I will try my best to answer your queries. Yes, few traders are very late, joining late in the session, no problem. Once the live completes, you can rewind and check the video as much as possible you want. So I could see there is no questions to be addressed here. So fine, great enough. Thank you so much for attending this session. I believe this session which I am doing on the trade entry which I am sharing one day before is making useful for you to make money from the market. So thank you so much for attending this session. I believe there is no questions to be addressed. I could not see any questions. So I will end this session right now. Thank you.